Oh yeah, you see it, man.
You see it, man. I wanted it, man. I came back for it.
No satisfied customer.
Yes, sir.
Even though we still in the pack, I'm in the mob, but hey, business is business.
Business is business. You already
Oh,
know.
Fox,
Man.
you already see him, man.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Appreciate it, King.
You already know it, man.
Already.
Let me hear you say, oh, you see it.
Oh, you see it. You
That's
know
right.
you see it.
That's right. That's right. Crank him up. You got a dirt bike gang. You got a rocket, 4-wheeler. Oh, Fox, oh, you see it.
I ain't gonna play around yet, but I'll be geared up tomorrow. Saturday, I have it all, man.
That's right.
Sir. Helmet, hey, body, goddamn armor, everything, man. No.
Safety first, no matter what you are.
Yes, sir. Oh, you see it.
What you excited about your bike? You jump around like a little kid. Oh, you see it. It's officially gone.
Gone.
What you want to tell Aunt?
Man, hey, I appreciate you, Aunt. You the GOAT, man. You know, man, words can't even explain, man. You already know, man. You know, this is for Joe and me. I got it because Joe really liked it. There's nothing else that Joe will get on. So he got up on this and he made me come and get it. So appreciate you, Aunt. Without you, I wouldn't even be sitting in there. So appreciate it.
Don is the best.
You think so, man?
I know so. I think Don is the best, man. That's the best degrees in the world. If it'll do it, Don. What the Don going on? Old Fox out here with his new jacket on, cleaning his new bike. You can't help it.
Oh, yeah. Punch me in my shoulders, nigga. I ain't gonna feel it.
You know, we usually wash it down first, no bad juju, but he came and got it too fast before I can even clean it out. But you know I'm still clean it though.
We like to go fast.
He's starting to get the street tires on. He turned into a supermoto before you know it.
Oh, you see it.
Get to that tail. It's day one, just practicing.
What's going on, fam?
You know it.